Hi, today I'm for Galaxy A03 and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double press to the power key button, we can see that the camera application is activated. And if you wanna use another application by double press to the power key button, you should first open the settings and then scroll down to the advanced features. Then click to the side key and switch quick launch camera to open app. Now we can use, for example, the torch or just the another application, the YouTube, Google, or for example, let's use the torch now. Just let's press twice to the power key button and we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. So that's it, that's how to customize quick launch on our Galaxy device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.